Odagiri-san was instrumental in inventing and scaling up particle-toughened primary structural composites. And that was a big game changer for us at Boeing. It enabled us to move into primary structural composites across the board for our applications. All started back in the 1980s with the 777, and really came on strong with 787, and now we're looking at that and similar toughened systems from other suppliers. It's become the industry standard. So he basically was involved with establishing the industry standard material system for aircraft primary structure. In addition to his contributions for our industry, he's also very approachable and is willing to discuss ideas and concepts. And in at least our dealings with Toray and Odagiri-san, we've been able to develop those into workable, actionable projects and concepts that have resulted in values. Odagiri-san, as he's known, he's a former ski racer and actually an avid kayaker as well. So he's definitely an outdoorsman. You may not get the impression when you're sitting across a conference room or at a SAMPE conference when you see him or talk to him in his suit, but he's quite the outdoorsman.